This video is a production of the YouthQuest Foundation, serving America's at-risk youth. This was YouthQuest's first time at the USA Science and Engineering Festival, a 3-day event that's like the Disneyland of science. Students from our 3D ThinkLink initiative classes at Maryland's Freestate Challenge Academy and the District of Columbia's Capital Guardian Youth Challenge Academy were there to help staff our booth and to explore the hundreds of other exhibits that filled the convention center in Washington, D.C.
Kind of like a dream come true, kind of. It's like it's less than a very great experience.
It was very interesting. Got to see stuff I never saw before. Got to think of ways other than I usually think. How to solve problems using different types of strategies. It was great. I'm glad to be exposed to new things like this, but it was great.
With the help of our strategic partner 3D Systems, whose booth was right next to ours, we had the students operate a 3D scanner to show how multiple images are captured and stitched together to create a file that is then turned into a plastic object by the 3D printer.
There you go. You're in 3D. You did a good job.
The cadets also helped children put together 3D printed beehive puzzles to demonstrate the concept of building objects in layers. They explained to the kids that bees are nature's 3D printers because they make honeycombs by stacking up layers of wax, just as the 3D printer does with heated plastic filament.
It was a good experience to be able to talk to so many people about the 3D printing machine and have a better understanding of it now.
3D printers were everywhere around the convention center. There was even this robotic arm demonstrating the additive manufacturing process on a supersized scale. So students saw many ways that the technology they're learning about in class is being used in the working world. Besides 3D printing, there was much more on display at the festival to capture young imaginations.
It's helping me learn much more about astronomy, so that's what I want to do, because I want to work for NASA.
I met people that I didn't know before what they did, but now because of this event, I know what they do and how they do what they do.
Trucks are larger than cougars. Likewise, a fin is better than nothing.
Another thing I found fascinating was the robots, how they built them and how they can use them for many things, and just playing toys and to defusing bombs for the SWAT team and all.
There were STEM celebrities like Mike Rowe, host of the TV show Dirty Jobs and a leading advocate for skilled trades job training.
What else can you make him do? Make him stand up again. Is that possible?
And a huge crowd turned out for this guy.
Please help me welcome the one, the only, the amazing Phil Nye the Science Guy.
It's great to see everyone here celebrating science.
Along with learning more about STEM subjects, the students got the opportunity to improve their presentation skills and practice speaking in public.
It gives me more of the skills of like talking to people, because you see I'm not really used to it, but I know that's something that I do have to work on, so it was fun for me to like learn to communicate with people better.
The USA Science and Engineering Festival was exactly the kind of life-enriching educational experience YouthQuest works to provide for at-risk teens. Thanks to all the students and their teachers for helping to make our festival debut a big success and a lot of fun.